Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkanda Nemade, lecturer in mechanical department. I will be taking a practical number 7 on basic mechanical engineering. Aim, assemble and dismantle of hydraulic centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pump is an hydraulic machine which converts mechanical into hydraulic energy, pressure energy by use of centrifugal force acting on the fluid. The fluid of the liquid takes place in the radial outward direction, which is reverse of the inward radial flow of the reaction turbine. It is used in the different area where the fluid is needed to raise from the low level to the high level. The various main parts of the centrifugal pumps are impeller, casing, suction pipe with foot valve, strainer, delivery pipe. Impeller. It is the rotating part of the pump. The impeller is mounted on the shaft and the shaft of the impeller against the connected electric motor. It is rotated by the motor consisting the series backward curve. You may see the different types of impeller shown in figure: open impeller, semi-open impeller and closed impeller. Casing. It is the airtight passage surround the impeller. The design of the casing is done in such a way that it is capable to convert the kinetic energy of the water discharging from the outlet of the impeller into the pressure energy before it leaves the casing and enter into the delivery pipe. Commonly, three types of casing used in centrifugal pump, which are the volute casing, vortex casing, and casings with blade guide. Suction pipe with a foot valve and strainer. You may see a pipe whose one end is connected with the inlet of the impeller and the other end is dipped into the sump water is called a suction pipe. The suction pipe consists of foot valve and strainer at its lower end. The foot valve is one-way valve that open in upward direction. The strainer is used to filter the unwanted particle present in the water to prevent the centrifugal pump from the blockage. Delivery pipe. It is a pipe whose one end is connected to the outlet of the pump and other end is connected to the required height where the water is to be delivered. As shown in figure, you may see. Advantages: small in size, space saving, output is very steady and consistent, easy for maintenance, no danger create if the discharge value is close while starting, deals with large volume, able to work at medium to low head, able to work on the medium to the low viscous fluid, almost no noise. Disadvantages: extra priming process is required, cannot be able to work at the high speed, cannot deals with the highly viscous liquid. Applications of reciprocating pump: agriculture, irrigation purpose, pumping of the water in the building, transfer the raw material. Thank you.